What's up, y'all? For those who don't know me, I'm Jovacane, and for everybody who do know me, back with another video. Duh. As you can see, I started it already. I did half. I'm about to do these pipe cleaner curls. I'm going to show you how to prep it first. This is another style I haven't done for a long time. I really don't style my hair that often unless I'm going somewhere, and I just haven't been going anywhere, you know. So for the first one, I'm going to show you two ways to do it. Okay, so this is your pipe cleaner, and this is what you're going to do. I'm going to fold it like so, and then twist it like this, and then just go straight down, you know. Just keep twisting to the end like this. It should look like this. Yep, like that. And then for people who want to possibly use, you know, for longer locks, I got this from, I forgot her name. What's her name? EarthLocs by ByKenyata. I believe I said that right. I'll put that in the bottom so that you can check out some of her videos. But I got this from her. And pretty much you just take two pipe cleaners and you put them together like so, and then you make a loop out of those the same way, just like a small loop. Turn it like this, and then the rest. So then you can have a longer one. It should look like this. Okay. I've never tried it that way, but when I saw her that she did that one day, I'm gonna try it, and then we're gonna see how my curls look with longer ones. But right now we're doing the regular version, so it'll be the smaller one compared to this is them together. Great. See, that's the difference. So. Alright, let's get started. So you want to make sure you have your pipe cleaner and your spray bottle. And then I added a little bit of oil to make sure that I wouldn't have any itching or anything of that nature. And then here, for the pipe cleaning, you just add the tip of your hair just to secure it and make sure the ends are secure, and then you just start rolling the rest of the hair over top of it, and pretty much till you get to the end. Now I'm doing this very loosely so that I'm able to slide the hair down, because if you do it too tight, it won't be able to move and then you'll run out of space. So keep that in mind. I didn't do too well for this first one, but I'm going to show you on the next two. I didn't do my first one right, but I did correct it later. For those who want to achieve the exact look, I did make sure I wrapped my hair so that it was getting wrapped outwards, so that my curls were a lot more bouncy. I didn't want them to be kind of like drooped in, so I wrapped it, as you can see, going the opposite way of my face. And I did it for the same on the opposite side. And then all I'm doing here is taking the end of the pipe cleaner and then wrapping it around the top of the hair. To keep the hair from sliding, I close the end of the loop. And then we pretty much rinse and repeat. Here I'm shaping the hair to my face so that it's a little more comfortable sleeping on it, even though it still kind of wasn't. I kept this style in for 2 days. So as I'm doing this, I do have oil on my hands just to rejuvenate the curls as I'm taking them out. I am definitely just unrolling it just a little bit and then just pulling them out. And majority of the time they just come out, unless, you know, sometimes the end of the pipe cleaners can be a little over the top, a little stubborn. Two tips that I learned to keep your curls popping for a little longer is to buy a super jumbo shower cap and a super jumbo bonnet. Thank you, Rebels, for your love and support. I really do appreciate it. If you guys haven't seen the headband curls, I will link that. Stay tuned for my eyelash tutorial.